Welcome to BTCC. BTCC is your reliable and easy to use crypto trading app. As you can see in the screen, we are showing a short overview of BTCC. You can see in the screen that's how BTCC looks like up front. Well, with BTCC, you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other top cryptocurrencies seamlessly. Simply sign up, verify your account, and make your first deposit to get started. As you can see in the screen, we are showing overview of BTCC. Here you can select your country and choose your document type. We choose a document type and country. Now let's see. In the meantime, the app offers real-time price tracking, advanced charting tools, and a variety of order types. So you're always in control of your trades. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or hold, BTCC provides a secure platform designed for both beginners and experienced traders. Plus, with features like demo trading, 24/7 customer support, and regular bonuses, BTCC is committed to making crypto trading accessible and rewarding. As you can see in the screen, you can also start live chat anytime to know any information you want to get. So, download the BTCC app today and experience the future of cryptocurrency trading at your fingertips. Download now.